Many of you, when you watch me rotary cut, will notice that I use the reverse of the board, the grey side of the board, and my ruler. The reason for this is that I find it less confusing visually. I don't have any lines to line up with here, and my ruler does the work for me. Also, having paid for both sides of the board, I just think you could use both sides of the board. And my ruler is the same length as my board, so it will fit right across. That's really important when you're thinking of buying a ruler and rotary cutter and board, that the ruler and the board match up in terms of size. Otherwise you won't get the best out of your equipment. What happens when you want a strip wider than your ruler is? You've got no marks on this grey side. Well, here's a tip that I like to use. So it's really simple. 6.5 is the size that we used for the Oakshot Tiger pattern, and it's a very common size. So if you haven't got a square ruler, this is a way to do it.